Hi, so Matt from the Vulcan, impromptu summer update. No aircraft in the hangar at the moment, so we're doing a bit of a secret filming thing at the moment that we can't say anything about. Other things, if you know, you know. So other bits that we've got going on, it's mainly ground equipment at the moment. So the guys have been busy fixing Frankenstein, the air starter. So we've got 4 more STAD 250 air starts. We're going through those at the moment, picking out the best bits of each one and try and make a good one out of all 4. So other little things, these jacks might be having a little trip north soon. The guys in the paperwork office, they've been going through all the paperwork, trying to get things geared up for the next winter service. And so with that in mind, we're looking at 2 boom replacements, some hydraulics that we need to sort, some avionics issues that we need to go through as well. So it's still going to be a busy winter, but maybe not as intense as the last 2, which would be nice. So as we go through the hangar, we've got a tug that's being resprayed, which was donated by FedEx very generously. So that's still in the mix now, going through its repaint and its overhaul. So then we'll start changing the tugs over and see where we go with those. And then we'll show you the air starts as well. So the guys, while I've been away, have been really busy. So inside this lump here, there's actually a fuel tank. The one that was fitted on there was absolutely rotten and full of dirt and dust and all sorts. So it was more prudent to take the old tank out, find another tank which was in much better condition. So we're up to a point now where we're electrically live on the thing, and it's got fuel going through it, albeit it's leaking at the minute. So there's a few bits we need to sort on the ignition system as well. There's a few little teething problems on that, but once we've got those sorted, hopefully we'll get power to the starter motor, and then we'll see what happens. It's literally a case of spin it over, get the fuel through the lines, get the oil pumping around, and then fingers crossed, if you got the ticky thing going, it should ignite and we should get the jet engine running. That's another one there. So this one's been cherry picked. We've had parts coming off of it. Like I say, we're cherry picking 4 air starts to make 1 unit work. So our friends at East Midlands Aeropark, they've been getting parts from other contacts that they've had. So these are actually a set of bomb doors. They've seen better days, should we say. They're quite battered, but our aim is at the moment is to have a door of remembrance. So people that have worked for the VRT over a period of years that are no longer with us, the intention is they're going to be coming off the nose gear door of the aircraft, and their name's going to go onto these bomb doors, which are going to be mounted on the hangar wall. So just as a nice mark of respect. Other bits, this is our new tug, the one that's been donated by FedEx. So as you can see, the front of the cab has been resprayed into green. There's a lot more behind the curtains there of the tug. So it's a 50-ton tug. It's not light, it's a big tug. We might have to take some weights out of it, not too sure yet. So where the aircraft sat outside at the moment, every time you move that aircraft on a hot day, it creates more paddling pools when the aircraft's parked. So we had a bit of a thing a few months back where we tried to move the aircraft and it was pretty much sunk in the tarmac, but it's all good fun. So we're going to have to watch where we park this on the tarmac because it could get really interesting. So at the moment, like I say, we're going through the summer projects, seeing what parts we need to get overhauled, setting budgets, sorting times and everything else now for the next winter work programme. Other than that, things that are coming up, we've got the proms, we've got Music and Beer Festival, we've got another open day coming up as well. So stay tuned and we'll update you later.